Hi, you're welcome to today's lesson. So in this lesson we'll be learning how to create the curved stitch, which is our last stitch. And I'm using, when I use beads like this that don't have a specific color, most times I always tend to use black thread, or you can use this is purple, but because there's no one defined color, there's green in here, there's green, there's purple or violet, there's blue. So my point is there are different colors in here, so I just use black as central color so that everyone can see what I'm doing. I'm going to do this kind of upside down, so please bear with me. To create your curved stitch, pick your starting point, which is usually, the beginning of the pattern or beginning of where you're starting from. Pull your thread, ensure that your thread is secured at the back, and you do a securing knot at the front, just to make everything secure so that you don't have a situation where what you've worked on begins to cut. Please ignore those two blue things there. Yeah, so secure it and pull your thread to make sure that it's really secure. So with the curved stitch, you pick the number of beads that can cover the part that is curved. So you can do from here to like here. All right, so you do this. What you're trying to do is to trace, kind of trace it with your hand. 7 will not be enough to cover that, so I'm going to take maybe another 7 should be good. Fine. Okay, so this is what we have. I'll take out 1. Okay, so yeah, this should be enough for us for what we're trying to do. So you've picked your starting point. This is my ending point for this part I'm trying to do. So you put your bead inside that ending point, right? It's going to come out looking straight. Now the trick in achieving a perfectly curved pattern is you lay it out with one of your fingers. I hope it's clear enough. You lay it out with one of your fingers, and then you pick 3 beads. So under every 3rd bead, you bring out your thread and your needle. Under every 3rd bead, 1, 2, 3, counting backwards, pick out your thread and secure it. So you bring out your thread on the left or on the right. You bring out your thread on one side and secure it on the other side, and then it will start to lay flat. Can you see? Pick out your next 3, bring out your thread on one side, secure it on the other side, and it will start to lay flat and form that curved your curved shape you're looking for. Pick out your next 3. It can be next 3 or next 2, whatever you decide to do, just to get that curved shape. And the essence of this is to make sure that what you're doing lies flat and assumes that the exact curved shape you're looking for. All right, it's secure. Make sure you're giving it that shape you want as you progress. Next 3. Secure. Make sure it doesn't go to another side though. This is where we need you. All right, so there you have it. This is how to create a curved stitch or to trace out a curved pattern. I'm going to do the second one. So from here, you want to continue. Pick out the number of beads that will cover the area. And this curved stitch is good for outlining curved lines, curved shapes in your pattern. So you may be beading Ankara that has a lot of circles or whatever. This stitch is good for outlining anything that is round or curved. Still have to pick more. Still have to pick more. Pick more. Pick more. Okay, we'll trace out and see what it looks like. Like we need 2 or 3 beads more. Okay, this should be enough for us. Follow, follow. I need to take out 1 because it's more than enough. Make sure that the number of beads that you pick matches the shape you're trying to outline, not more and not less. If not, by the time you start securing, you get to the point where you see that it's not enough. So this is what we're tracing. We're coming like this and ending here. So you put your thread to that point and then use your hands to give it that shape. And then start going backwards to secure. Next 3. Next 3. I can even, because this place is curved, I'm going to do 2. I don't want it to have a squarish shape. Even this one, I'm going to okay, and then we'll continue with our 3-3 formation. Next 3. Next 3. Okay, and we're done. So you can see how it just curves and curves. Beautiful. So I'm going to go do the last one off camera and come and show you how to end it. Hi, you're welcome back. So I've gone off camera to complete this and I'll just show us how to end it quickly. So this is my last bead on this set. What I want to do is secure the last bead quickly. This is the last one, so I'm going to do the securing right the space before it. And once you have done that, like every other stitch, turn to the back and create 2 securing knots. Knot 1, pull to make sure that it's firm enough. Knot 2. Alrighty, and cut it out. I hope you enjoyed this class. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear your feedback, and thanks for watching.